everybody, it's me, Kenyatta. So in this video, I am showing you how I intermittent fast. So the Sunday after Thanksgiving, I found out I was 187 pounds. And I said, oh no, no. So I started this fast. So I wanted to start a quote unquote diet that wasn't boring and that I couldn't eat what I want to eat, because that would get old to me. So I thought doing intermittent fasting would be a better solution for me. So far, this is working for me. It has been about 7 weeks and I've lost 16 pounds. In this video, you're going to see 3 ways that I do it in a span of 3 days. And you're going to also see how the scale moved or not moved. The first clip will show you how much I weigh starting this past Friday. And also my short-term goal is to reach 165 by the 23rd of this month. So I will update you guys next week. Oh, before I forget, I eat between 1 and 6, meaning I do not eat after 6 or before 1, unless I feel like having a peanut butter toast with my coffee or a flat out breakfast that morning. It just depends on my mood. That's why I like this particular fast, because I can pretty much eat when I want, anytime I want. But if I do eat anything that morning, then I am not eating anything until 2 or so that afternoon. But regardless of that, I do stop eating at 6 o'clock, and it's not every day that I would eat breakfast. I usually wait until 1 o'clock to eat. And I try not to go over 1,200 calories in a day. So now after I've weighed myself, I am going into the kitchen to get 3 bottles of water. I put lemon juice in the water so it's easier for me to drink them. I am not a big water drinker, so I know I need more than this, but this is what I can do for now. One bottle down, 2 more to go. So it is 9:06 right now, and I'm about to drink my cup of coffee. I drink about 10 ounces, and I put 2 raw sugars in there, and of course creamer. And I am going to drink this coffee today. Okay, now I'm going to eat peanut butter toast with my coffee. I put the toast in the oven, put it on broil because I do not have a toaster. So all right, 2 down, 1 more to go. It is currently 10:30. So I am going to eat a meal at 1 o'clock. So I have some brown rice, brown wild rice, and baked chicken thighs. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so I finished the last bottle of water. I may have another bottle of water because it is only 3:42, and I try not to drink so much water so I won't be up all night going to the bathroom. But it's also snack time. So I am going to go ahead and get some ice cream. And this is about, what, 160 calories. So far, I've eaten, I think it's like 700 and something calories. I have to double check. But yeah. So yeah, this will be my snack. And then probably around 5 or so, I may make a smoothie. Depends on if I'm still hungry or not. I'll make a smoothie, and then that will be it for the night. Because I eat from 1 to 6. So I stop eating at 6 o'clock. And then I don't eat anything else until the next day at 1. But technically, I'm breaking my fast, though, around 9 in the morning, because that's when I have a cup of coffee. And if I'm hungry or don't have any energy, then I will eat a slice of peanut butter toast. So technically, I'm breaking my fast at 9 in the morning. But other than that, I don't have a meal until after 1 o'clock. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, so I decided not to make a smoothie. Instead, I'm just going to eat a handful of dried roasted peanuts and drink this cranberry juice. And then that will be it for today. So I'm going to weigh myself in the morning, and I'll come back to you guys then. Bye. So it's 9:16 the next morning. I already got a bottle of water down. I haven't had any coffee yet. It's still sitting over there. But I am going to make oatmeal this morning. So I am eating a meal fairly early this morning. So I'll come back to you to let you know what I'll eat later on and the time. Okay, so it's almost 1 o'clock. I am making nuggets, and fries are in the air fryer. And these are the nuggets that I'm eating. So I have about 6. So I would eat that. Like I said, I already had oatmeal, blueberries, and bananas this morning. And then I may have a treat and eat another cup of ice cream later. Or I may make a sweet potato. I'm not sure yet. So just come along with me. So far, this is about 800 calories so far. And again, I'm trying not to go over 1,200. So, yep. So we will see. So here are my fries and nuggets. And that is honey mustard sauce and ketchup on the fries. Okay, so it is the next day. As you can see, I am still the same weight, but I've already drunk a bottle of water this morning. I have 2 more to go. I will drink that with my meal. Currently, it is 1:11, and I'm about to eat spaghetti and put some Parmesan cheese on it. And this may be my only meal today besides a snack. So today I waited to eat till now, which now is 1:12. So I didn't eat anything this morning, but I did have my cup of coffee. So, as I said, this may be my only meal besides a snack. And then I will weigh myself again in the morning to see if there's a difference. So, stay tuned.